Hi friends, today I want to show you how I assemble a DIY chip bag that is perfect for party favors. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's talk about the supplies. You can use glossy photo paper. I picked this up at Walmart. It works great. It's very thick and it does really well with inkjet printers. And like I said, it has a good thickness and a glossy finish on top. This is a great option to use. And if you don't have access to glossy paper or a presentation paper, you can use a thicker inkjet paper or a laser paper. And in this case, this super premium bright paper works best for both. And it has a very nice thickness and brightness, and that will work just as well. You will need scissors, and I have my paper scissors here. It's just $1 pair of scissors that I labeled paper so that I don't try to cut fabric and ribbon with them. I have an ATG gun, which is just an advanced tape glider, and this works really well when I need to adhere surfaces. And here is a paper crimper. I ordered this online maybe about 2 years ago, and I want to say that I ordered it on Amazon, and if I find the link to it, I will put it in the description below. But this gives the edges of the chip bag a crinkle finish. And to cut down the paper to size, I have this X-Acto paper cutter and I love it. It's big and clunky, but it works just well for me. If you don't have this and you have any other type of paper trimmer, that will work great. And last but not least, I have the design for the chip bag. Now, I designed this one, and I know that if you go on to Etsy or any other designer program, you can design your own, or you can have someone design it for you. And of course, you'll need your chip bag. Now, for this particular project, the smaller chip bags work really best. You can get them in a pack of 10 or 12, I believe, and that's what I'm using, the small ones. You will use your paper trimmer to cut the top and the bottom of the template. Most of these print off with 4 white edges around the template. So using your paper trimmer, or you can use your scissors if you're a straight cutter, I'm not, and just trim the top and the bottom, leaving the sides of the template alone. We want those to stay white. It won't matter because this will be the back of the chip bag. Now we are ready to assemble the bag. So with your template, turn it face down, and you'll need your adhesive. So looking at the template face up, just turn it face down, and we are going to only apply glue or tape to the top, the bottom, and I say the left side, leaving one side without any type of adhesive. So I'm going to line the top and the bottom, and on my left side I am going to apply one strip of the adhesive, and I am not going to apply to the right side. Now I chose the left side because it has a barcode and I want that part to be on top, and I'll show you that in case that's not making any sense. And placing the chip bag, it's all up to you if you want the logo to face you when you open the bag, or It's just total preference. So with the side that's not glued, I put that down first. And then the part that does have the adhesive, I laid that on top. And then flip it over, and without doing anything to the top and the bottom, I'll adjust the bag to where the logo and the words are centered. And when I have it the way that I like it, I will then line up the top of the bag or the bottom, whichever one you want to work with, and let the glued sides attach to each other. And then I just give it a nice firm press. I do that to both ends. And then I'll tuck the bag so that none of it will get caught in between the tape. Just press it firmly. And this is what you have. Now, right now, the edges are not crinkled, and I'm going to show you how I make them crinkled to resemble an actual bag. Now, folding down the taped ends, you'll see that some of the white or some of the bag lifts up, and I just use my scissors to trim any excess so that it's all pretty much even. Using my paper crimper, I put one end into the little grooves and I turn the wheel maybe 1 or 2 times, and it gives this crinkle finish. I think that is so neat. And I flip it over and do the other end. Sometimes it seems like I can't get it right, but when you turn the wheel, it grabs a hold of the bag and allows you to turn the wheel to crinkle the ends, just like that. And there you go, just like that, a custom chip bag, perfect for a party or to add to any type of celebration. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love for you to stay and subscribe. It will help my channel and it will help us to connect a little bit more. And until next time, have a great day.